Hi everybody and welcome back to Meals of the Week. So today is Monday and we're going to be having these skin-on fries that I got out of Aldi. There was like a KFC section. Along with these chicken poppers, I thought we'd give these a go. So the chicken comes with a barbecue dip and there was also some like gravy, but there wasn't any available when we went in. So I'm going to start off by putting the chicken onto a baking tray and putting these into the oven. For the skin-on fries, I'm going to put these into the air fryer and cook them for about 10-15 minutes, and when they're finished I'm going to use the seasoning packet that came in the box and just sprinkle it over the top. And this is how everything looks once it is finished cooking. This plate is Ayla's. She's got the popcorn chicken and the seasoned skin-on fries. I think you can see the coating on here. She's also got a spoon of coleslaw and some of that barbecue sauce. I've got exactly the same but no coleslaw. And this is what we had for our tea tonight. Today's Tuesday and we are going to be having a mixed pepper and chicken stir fry for our tea tonight. So I've got the bag of stir fry mix here along with the noodles and then a pack of chicken breast mini fillets, and the sauce we're going to have with it is 2 sachets of this chow mein sauce out of Aldi. I'd ran out of cooking oil again and the only thing I could think to use was some butter, so I just put a spoonful or so into the pan and then I'm going to cut up my chicken breasts into little chunks. Once all my chicken has finished cooking, I'm then going to add in the egg noodles and the chow mein sauce and give this a really good mix. In a separate pan, I am cooking the veg down. I don't like it, so that's why I'm doing it separately. Once it's finished cooking, I will add it back into Ayla's chow mein. And this is everything once it's been plated up. Mine is on the left with just chicken, noodles and sauce, and then Ayla's is on the right with the veg. And this is what we had for our tea tonight. Today is Wednesday and we're having something a little bit different for our tea tonight. We're having a takeaway. So I'm having a chicken and pineapple pizza. Ayla chose kebab and chips. And my nana's also here. She is having a parmo and chips. And this is what we're having for our tea tonight. Today's Thursday and for tea tonight we are going to be having these ready meals out of Marks and Spencer's. I picked these up because I wasn't feeling very well and I didn't feel like standing up and cooking, so I opted for these instead. We have a beef dinner and a chicken one for Ayla, and all I'm going to do is follow the instructions on the back of the packet to make this. I've took the Yorkshire puddings out of it like it says to, and then I've put the roast potatoes into my air fryer and these are going to cook in here for about 20-25 minutes. For the rest of the food, I just need to poke some holes into the top of the plastic and put these straight into the oven to cook for 35 minutes. Once everything has nearly finished cooking and we only have 5 minutes left, I'm going to add the Yorkshire puddings into the air fry tray along with the roasties and put these back in for 5 minutes. And this is it all plated up. It looks really, really nice. So this one is mine with the beef, Yorkshire puddings, roasties and a stuffing bowl. And Ayla's got exactly the same except she's got chicken. And this is what we had for our tea tonight. It's finally Friday and I'm still not feeling 100%, so we're having something separate for our dinners tonight. Ayla is going to have these fish in butter sauce with some mash and then also some carrots on the side. And I'm going to have this mugshot. It's not appetising, but I'd rather have something daft like this and throw it away if I need to, rather than cook and waste perfectly good food. I'm just going to pour the pasta into this bowl here and then I'm going to flick the kettle on and wait for that to boil, and then I'm just going to pour it over the pasta. For Ayla's fish, I'm just going to put it onto a plate and poke some holes into it, and then I'm going to cook it for 2.5 minutes, give it a rest and then put it in for a further 2.5 minutes. The kettle is finished boiling, so I'm just going to pour over the boiling water, and then I'm actually going to cover it with some tin foil as I find it cooks better once it is covered. I'm just going to put this to one side and get on with Ayla's mash. For the mash, I'm just going to poke some holes into it, and then I'm going to pop it into the microwave for around 5 minutes. And this is how everything looks once it is finished cooking. So this is my pasta here. It doesn't look the most amazing, but it'll do when I'm not feeling fantastic. And then Ayla's is the cod in butter sauce with mash. She's also got a jelly here and some carrots. So I hope you enjoyed this week's Meals of the Week, guys, even though it was a little bit different to usual. But I hope you still enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.